Amidst the shadows of my mind, a dream takes form and starts to bind my thoughts and hopes, my deepest fears, to create a world that soon appears. I speak aloud and words take flight, they weave a web of pure delight, a spell that's cast with all my might to bring my vision to the light. My heart beats fast, my breath is still, as I surrender to my will, and watch as dreams take solid form, my manifestation now reborn. With every thought and every word, my dream takes shape, it's seen and heard, as I create a world anew, where everything I wish comes true. And so I stand, a master of fate, with power that's beyond debate, a force of nature, unafraid, to manifest my dreams and make them stay.